Welcome back to my hair tutorial video. So today we're doing the perfect blowout. So I'm gonna start off in the shower just to show you a little bit how I do it in the shower. I'll have a more in-depth like wash day tutorial, but here it goes. You're just gonna separate your hair in two and then just wet it a little bit, and then you're gonna comb out from the bottom all the way to the top. So start from the bottom and then reach from the top. And I'm gonna add a little bit of co-wash and then just, you know, massage my hair, brush it again. And you see I'm brushing into section. Now I'm just gonna rinse out the product out of my hair. That was like the conditioner, everything was just all in one, girl. Now I'm just gonna separate my hair in two sections. So now I'm gonna start getting ready to, you know, just show you how I really get that perfect blow dry. So you, again, make it into small section. I'm gonna do it into 6 sections. I'm gonna take an elastic and just really tighten my my hair. So you're gonna repeat that for all over your hair. I was missing one, as you can see, so I did it out of the shower. But yeah, so now you're gonna dry your hair with a t-shirt, and then I'm gonna comb out my sections, and I'm gonna add some oil, and then one of your favorite butters. And I'm just gonna braid my hair really tightly, and then I'm gonna repeat that all over my hair. So once you're done repeating all that all over your hair, you're gonna sleep with your satin cap or your satin pillow and let it air dry all day. Not all day, but all night. Now it's the next day, so now I'm just gonna take off the elastic and I'm gonna unbraid my hair, and my hair is super dry. And the length is still there, so I'm so happy. You're gonna add a bit of oil again, and then you're gonna comb out your hair and just comb it out until it's the perfect like blown out hair that you want. So I just combed it out a lot just to make sure like there's no frizz or tangle in my hair. And of course you repeat it all over your hair. So I combed my hair a lot, and then this is the result, and it's perfect, guys. And it makes it for a perfect like and like if you want to do an updo or any kind of style of your hair, like it's so easy to do. Like I'm about to do just a simple bun for the rest of the day, and then my hair was super soft, super blown out, and you see no heat, girls, no heat. So no damage, no heat damage, no nothing, girl. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure
got a whole lot of me.